What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond from Operation Work from Home, where I make videos showing you how you can make money from home using your cell phone connection, internet. As long as you got some type of way to connect to the internet, I got your back. I'm switching it up a little bit on this video. I'm going to show you how to create a blog if you've never created one. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, let's dig in. So, Blogger is a free platform that you can use to create a blog. If you do not have a Blogger account, what you want to do is you have to have at least a Gmail account because the two are Google owns Blogger, so you got to create your account. Okay, after you create your account, you want to go to blogger.com. Okay, and then after you get in there, you just want to click on that, right? Okay. And let's just go ahead and start from a new one. Okay. So I'm just going to come over here. These are some different blogs I've done before. Okay. Just kind of clicking around. They actually changed the format. I'm going to actually try the new Blogger. Cool. Bear with me here. Learning as we go here. Okay. All blogs. Bear with me here. All right, I'm back. Okay, so I found out what I did wrong. So I had too many blogs on that account, so I created another account. Now, once you get in here, you want to start a new blog. Okay, so this can be, we'll call this one computer repair, but you can put it whatever you want to, and then we put ICPU blog. And you pick your style down here. So I'm just going to pick a simple style. Okay. And create blog. And it looks like Google Domains is a new thing they just started to where you can get a domain for your blog. You know, it's www and blog name, whatever you want.com. But we're not doing that in this case. So what you want to do as you go in here, you got different things, post stats. This is where you look at the stats for your blog, comments. As you build it up, you can monetize your blogs, add different pages right here, layout of your blog, the theme, what we just actually selected. But if you're new, again, what you want to do is you want to click on new post, okay? And just for example, I found this article here. And, I'm going to give this writer some credit here. But what you do, paste in this article. And then I got my title article. You put that right there. And as you can see, you got that right there. Got everything in here. And then just to kind of play around with this, if you wanted to bold this right here, it's pretty much stuff that you can see on Microsoft Word or anything like that. If you want to make that a link, you can put the URL right there or have it go to an email or anything like that. You can have it go to a new window if you click that. But I'm going to unclick. I'm going to uncheck that right there. And then I'm going to cancel this, okay? And then you can add pictures in there. You click on there. You can upload, your pictures, from different, you name it. You got your choices right here. And then you're going to click on cancel, okay? Well, let's just say, hey, this is something I like. This is what I want to do. And then what you want to do, you want to come over here. You can come over here to preview it to see what it looks like. Okay. All right. Got all that in there. Give them credit to the title right there, source right there. Okay, and then come back over here. You like it, come over here to click publish. Okay, so this will be right here. Okay, that's the link to that page right there. And you come over here, and if you need to do any changes, you can click on edit. Okay, make whatever changes you want, and you preview it and update it, and then that's it. So if you come up to view blog, that is, you'll notice down at the bottom where you can't see it. Let me fix that. You see where it says at the bottom, mine is cpublogger.blogspot.com. Okay, that is the URL for this particular blog. So I just wanted to show this quick video on how you can get started with your own blog. It's real simple to do. Always come in here to play around with it, and then you'll be good to go. All right, that's it. You have a good day.